Good afternoon to one and all. My name is Priyanka Narode. Today I am going to speak on topic Introduction to Digital Image Processing. So what is digital image processing? It focuses on two major tasks: improvement of pictorial information for human interpretation, processing of image data for storage, transmission and representation of autonomous machine perception. Some arguments about the image processing ends and fields. The digital image processing deal with the manipulation of digital images through a digital computer. It is subfield of signals and systems, but focus particularly on images. Digital image processing focuses on developing a computer system that is able to perform processing of an image. The input of that system is a digital image, and the system processes that image using efficient algorithm, and it gives an image as an output. The most common example is Adobe Photoshop. It is one of the widely used applications for digital image processing. Some of the fundamental steps in digital image processing. In digital image processing, there are number of steps for digital image processing. First one is image acquisition. In image processing, it is defined as the action of retrieving an image from some source, usually a hardware-based source for processing. The next one is image enhancement. Image enhancement is the process of adjusting the digital images so that the results are more suitable for display that image or the further image analysis. The next one is the image restoration. It is the process of recovering an image that has been degraded by some knowledge of degraded function. It's defined like a capital H and the additive noise term. The next one is the color image processing. The color image processing is the part it can be handle the image processing of colored images either as indexed image or RGB image, that is red, green, blue color image. The next stage is wavelets and multi-resolution processing. Wavelets are some small waves of limited duration which are used to calculate wavelets transform, which provides time frequency information. The next stage is the compression. After the wavelets and multi-thresholding processing, the image processing can be goes in the next step, image compression. Compression deals with the techniques for reducing the storage or space it is required to save an image or the bandwidth required for this transmit that image. The next step is the morphological processing. The morphological processing, it deals with the extracting image components that are useful in representation and description of shapes. It includes the basic morphological operations like erosion, means it can be degraded the image, and dilations, means it can be expand image in the multiple form. The next step is the segmentation. It is the process of partitioning the digital image into a multiple segments. It is generally used to locate objects and boundaries in objects. The next stage is the representation and description. In representation and description, the representation deals with the converting the data into suitable form for a computer processing. After that, the object recognition. In object recognition is recognize the particular object. Outputs of these steps are generally image attributes. These are the fundamental steps of digital image processing. Thank you so much.